Ooh, look at all these fidget spinners spinning. How wonderful is that? They're all spinning at the same time. There's 2 big ones on the back, 2 small ones in the front. Hello my friends, welcome to my show. I'm Alex Benny. Today we're creating one more chocolate fidget spinner. I'm so excited, let me explain what's going to happen. So, you see this chocolate right here? We're going to melt that all up and then we're going to fill it up to here. And after we're done filling it up to there, we're going to take it out. Since these 2 are the same size, we're going to spin them and we're going to do a tournament with them. Oh, that's really fun. I want to do the tournament. And I also like melting the chocolate. Now we're going to melt our chocolate. So now we're going to place this on top of it. So then on this side, we're going to do the same thing. Now I'm gonna put 1 spoon here. I'm just gonna look for any signs of melting. There are signs of melting because that's telling me that there's melting. I'm gonna keep it here. Now let's look at this side. Is there any signs of melting? I could see some signs of melting. I'm going to open the areas where I can see the melting going on. I can see the chocolate version of the liquid. The liquid version of chocolate, I mean. So let's now even mix it more. So this one is almost about to be the liquid version of chocolate, but not really, because there's still some pieces of the chocolate that is not melted. And on this one, we need to mix it even more so it can melt easily. Now we're ready to put more in both of them. Let's start. Then this is. Ooh, that's ready. So then let's see if this one's ready. This one looks ready. So let's stir it. Whoa, that is ready. So let's add some more chocolate. I'm going to add more of that and stir it up and then add a bit more if needed. This looks okay, so also let's add a bit more. So now let's take some more. Okay, then I'm going to mix it. Now let's do it to the other one. So I'm going to add in more chocolate. Oh, that nice smell of chocolate. It smells so good. Alright, so we mixed that one. Let's mix this a bit more. we want them all to be like underneath, so I mixed that so to make sure that everything's underneath it. Alright, so we've got all that. We're gonna wait for all that chocolate to melt. So let's keep on mixing both sides. I'm gonna do this. All right. Yep, that still needs to get ready. Our chocolate is now ready, so I'll show you how it's ready. So that would mean that it's ready. Now let's try this one. That looks ready. So let's put it down. Let's turn off both stoves. I'm going to turn off this one first. And finally, I'm going to turn off this one. So now both of them are off. We're going to wait for them to, we're going to wait for this, we're going to take them off the stove. This is ready to go into the spinner mold. So let's lift it. Okay, now let's put that down. And we can do it with this one because this is also ready. Now we're gonna pour in the chocolate with the fidget spinner. Oh, look at that. Now we're going to take out any leftovers. Now we're going to take enough. Ooh, we're pouring even more chocolate. We have some remaining. So we're going to try pouring into many areas as possible. Our fidget spinner is now ready and we're waiting for it to cool down. while we're waiting for our big fidget spinners to cool down, we're gonna make one more small fidget spinner. I'm so excited. Let's start the process. So we're now going to pour in the chocolate. Look at that. Our small fidget spinner is ready, and now we're waiting for it to cool down. These two fidget spinners are ready, and it's now time to take them out from the mold. So now it's time to open the two fidget spinners. We're going to open the big one first. So we're now going to lift it, and we're almost there, but we haven't taken out all parts of the mold. All right, we took it out. We're just going to clear the scraps on the back. Alright, let's open the small fidget spinner. We open the small fidget spinner. Between these two fidget spinners, we're going to do a tournament. So what's going to happen is that this is going to be on the green side, and that's where they're going to be timed. So this is timed on the green side. This fidget spinner right here is going to be timed on the blue side. So they're going to each get 2 chances. 1, 2 on the green side, 1, 2 on the blue side. So whoever spins the longest will be the champion. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, go. So our stopwatch has started on blue side. Let's turn the fidget spinner out on green side. The stopwatch is on the green side. So we're waiting for them to stop. And it's not yet to 1 minute. It's not really at 1 minute yet. But I'm wondering, how long can these fidget spinners spin? Can they spin it for 8 minutes? It's already 1 minute on blue side. Now it's 1 minute on green side. It's one minute half a second on blue side. It's close to 1 minute half a second on green side. Meaning half a minute. Blue side's close to 2 minutes. Green side's getting closer to 2 minutes too. So now it's 2 minutes. So it's already 2 minutes, half a minute on blue side. 2 minute, half a minute on green side. It's now 3 minutes. On the blue side, now it's 3 minutes on the green side. It doesn't matter who stops first, but what matters is how long they spin. They're about 10 minutes ahead of each other. No, blue's 10 minutes ahead of the green side. So it's already 4 minutes on blue side. It's already 4 minutes and half a minute on blue side. It's close to being, now it's 4 minutes and half a minute on green side. It's close to 5 minutes. Five minutes is on blue side. Five minutes on green side. Boy, these fidget spinners can spin long. They've been spinning for 5 minutes. But can they spin for more than 5 minutes? One of them looks like they're about to stop. And I'm going to make sure we stop at the right time and stop. Wow, I'm shocked. That fidget spinner is spinning for 6 minutes. Oh, that's really cool. It's half a minute. Can they spin to 7 minutes? It's close to 7 minutes. It's already 7 minutes on blue side. It's close to 8 minutes. This one looks like it's about to stop, but will it stop at 8 minutes or will it still be at 7 minutes but close to 8 minutes? It's already 8 minutes. And it's going to stop now. So let's write the time. So on green side, I'm gonna write first, since that was the lowest, is 5 minutes 42 seconds. And on the blue side, which was the highest, I'm gonna write 8 minutes 19 seconds. So that was a score that they scored for. That was the score. We'll start our race in 3, 2, 1, go. Look at that, and the timers start on the green side. And the timers start on the blue side. So it's already past 30 minutes on green side, and it's close to 30 minutes on blue side, but now it's past it. So there's 8 minutes difference. who's gonna stop first? So it's close to 30 minutes on blue side. It's past 30 minutes on green side. Alright, it's already 3 minutes, and on the green side, it's past 3 minutes. But I'm wondering, who's going to stop first? Whoa, looking at one side on one circle is making me dizzy, and it's already 4 minutes. It's already past 4 minutes 30 seconds on blue side and past 4 minutes and 30 seconds on green side. One of them could stop first, but who's going to stop first? I'm gonna keep my fingers here because I think one of them is gonna stop first. And stop. Now this side needs to get past 8 minutes, and he's already past 8 minutes. Past the 8 minutes, and now he's a bit higher than 8 minutes. Do you think he could win? This one's close to stopping. Yeah. time stop. Alright, let's write the time. On green side, it is 5 minutes, 44 seconds. I just crossed that out there. So now on the blue side, it is 6 minutes, 17 seconds. There we go. Our winner is dun, 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 from the blue side. One more thing. With the two highest scores, 8 minutes and 6 minutes, which that is pretty high.